In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an online store with Wix. We'll start by opening your Wix dashboard. Head to Wix, then log into your account or create one if you're brand new to the platform. If you're starting from scratch, click Create New Site to begin building your store. Next, choose an online store template. When Wix asks what kind of website you want to create, select Online Store. You'll then be able to browse through the available e-commerce templates. Pick one that fits your brand style and the type of products you plan to sell, then click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, customize the design of your website. Update your site name, logo, brand colors, and fonts so everything feels consistent. Then edit your homepage and any other pages to better match your business. This is also the time to add banners, images, and promotional content that helps visitors understand what you sell. After that, add your products. In the Wix dashboard, go to Store Products and click New Product. Choose whether you're adding a physical product or a digital product. Then enter the product name, description, price, and images. If your item comes in different options like sizes or colors, add those variants before clicking Save. To keep your store organized, group products into collections. Go to Store Products, then Collections, and click Create Collection. Give each collection a clear name, then add the relevant products. This makes your store easier to browse and helps customers find what they need faster. Now set up your payment methods. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments. Choose the payment providers you want to use and connect options like cards, PayPal, or any other available gateways. Follow the prompts carefully to complete verification so your store can accept payments properly. Next, configure your shipping settings under Settings and Shipping and Fulfillment. Add the regions where you'll deliver products, then choose how you want to charge for shipping, whether that's a flat rate, by weight, or by order value. Save your shipping rules when you're done, then go to Settings and Tax to configure your tax information based on your business location and where you sell. Save those settings as well. You'll also want to create policy pages for shipping, returns and refunds, privacy and terms and conditions, then add links to those pages in your website footer. Before going live, preview your store and test the product pages, navigation, and checkout flow. Make any needed adjustments. Then connect a custom domain in Settings under Domains, either by connecting one you already own or purchasing one through Wix. Finally, click Publish, visit your live website, and place a test order. Verify that payments, shipping calculations, and confirmation emails are all working correctly, and fix any issues before promoting your store.